Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir, for granting me the opportunity to participate in the discussion of the motion of thanks on the President's address. On
Please,
behalf of
आपस
my
में बात
party,
नहीं।
the YSR Congress Party, and our leader, former Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, I extend my gratitude to the President for highlighting the various priorities and achievements of the government. I also thank my party President and former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu for having given me the opportunity to present our party views in this August House, sir. Sir, I would like to address the following crucial issues very briefly. Reforming the Indian testing system. The NEET undergraduate exam is taken by over 70,000 aspirants from Andhra Pradesh each year out of total 20 lakh students. Of these, only 2,000 students are selected to study at various places. There is a significant shortage of seats in government medical colleges. Despite the increasing number of applicants, the availability of seats and colleges have not risen proportionately. Currently, there are only 55,648 government medical seats. This number must be increased to at least 1 lakh to ensure fair opportunities for NEET aspirants to achieve their dreams of becoming doctors, sir. Sir, secondly, strengthening public health infrastructure for pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic underscored the importance of robust public health infrastructure to handle health emergencies, sir. In 2024, preparing for potential pandemics remains a national priority, sir. According to a report of the Global Health Security Index, India ranks poorly in terms of pandemic preparedness, with significant gaps in health infrastructure, disease surveillance, and emergency response systems, sir. The central government should invest in upgrading the healthcare facilities, including increasing hospital beds and ICU units and stop filling medical supplies, sir. Improving the National Center for Disease Control and deploying advanced technology for retail disease surveillance and are essential, sir. Training healthcare staff in emergency response and establishing research facilities for infectious diseases are vital steps towards strengthening the public health system, sir. I would like to briefly hereby remind this August House the special concern our leader, former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, had towards the healthcare sector in the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. 16 new medical colleges were established in the last 5 years, sir. This was solely done for the purpose of increasing the number of seats to ensure and more doctors are able to finish their studies at affordable cost, and specialty treatment is available to the poor and needy at a place near to their homes. The implementation of the family doctor concept and introducing village clinics and health camps were one of the first of its kind activities taken up in Andhra Pradesh state during the last 5 years, sir, in health sector. Relief to farmers, sir. I think the Honorable President and the Government of India are providing 3,20,000 crores to farmers under PM Kisan Samman Nidhi and increasing the MSP for various produce, sir. However, this is still much work to be done. I argue the government to increase the financial assistance provided and 10,000, sir. I appreciate the government for making change its agricultural system in line with the current requirements. Currently, the demand for organic products is increasing rapidly in the world. I argue the government to strengthen the natural farming and create robust supply chains related products. I also request the government to increase the MSP so that the hard-working farmers can get a remunerative prices for their produce, sir. Sir, special care should be taken to ensure that the farmers are covered under crop insurance and companies are unaffected and properly compensated, especially when the harvest suffers due to global warming like sudden heat waves or the highly unpredictable rainfall. Farmers should not be made to suffer unnecessarily, sir. Sir, regarding railway safety, enhanced budget allocation for safety and modernization, sir. Indian Railways requires a significant increase in budget allocation to address critical safety and modernization needs, sir. The merger of Indian Railway budget with the central budget in 2017 and 18 has led to a decrease in its share from 15% to mere 10%, sir. The reduction has hindered the comprehensive implementation of advanced safety technologies such as the train collision avoidance system and the anti-collision system, sir. It has to be specially noted that the last major accidents in Bengal Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh took place in a span of less than 5 months, sir, and that too in the eastern region. So I urge the government to take steps to prevent the precious loss of life, sir. By increasing the budget allocation, the central government can ensure the widespread deployment of safety systems, upgrade old tracks, and improve overall railway infrastructure, thereby reducing the frequency of accidents and enhancing the operational efficiency, sir. I also request the operationalization of railway zone, which the land has been identified by the previous government, and especially the pending railway projects, especially that Nadikudi Srikalahasti line, which was sanctioned in 2014, sir. Hello, sir. The Vizag-Chennai coastal corridor also needs to be implemented soon, sir. In addition to that, road connecting Vizag port to the Bhogapuram International Airport also needs to be completed at the earliest, sir. Sir, I congratulate the government for the metro in 21 cities in the country, sir. Here I also request to kindly take steps to ensure that Visakhapatnam Metro is sanctioned, and especially as the Bhogapuram International Airport is coming up, I request the government to sanction the metro from the Bhogapuram International Airport to Visakhapatnam, sir. Sir, Andhra Pradesh related issues, sir. Our Honorable former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu met Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister many times, and each time he requested for special category status for Andhra Pradesh, sir. But today, this is the opportunity has come to Telugu Desam Party, wherein not only they are in power in Andhra Pradesh, they are also sharing power in India government at central government, sir. So, all TDP, Telugu Desam Party has to do in this situation is ask the central government for special category status for the people of AP, and the dream of all the people of Andhra Pradesh will be fulfilled, sir. The special category status is not a mere demand, sir, but a right of the people of Andhra Pradesh, which has suffered immensely due to the unjust bifurcation, sir. The state has also faced several challenges in resolving the pending issues related to the bifurcation, such as the sharing of assets, liabilities, the allocation of employees, the division of institutions, and the completion of projects, sir. Sir, however, rather than demanding special category status over the last 5 weeks after the result has come, the ruling party in Andhra Pradesh has sponsored and enabled a brutal wave of organized violence on the leadership and cadres and sympathizers of ISR Congress party, sir. Sir, I also request that the central government to take steps to complete the Polavaram project as early as possible, sir. Necessary funds may be sanctioned for the speedy completion of the Polavaram project, sir. I would like to request to central government, sir, to stop the privatization of Vizag steel plant, sir. And I also request Finance Minister to sanction sufficient funds to revive the plant as a special package, and also government to provide captive mines on a preferential leases to Vizag steel plant, sir. Sir, I argue the central government to insist on state government, who is also NDA partner there, to ask for special category status of Andhra Pradesh on priority basis, sir. So I argue through you, sir, to take the steps that peace is restored and democratic practices are followed in our state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Thank you very much, Chairman, sir.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. Honorable Sri P. Wilson,